Thank you for watching this brief video. I wanted to start a channel where I attempted to demystify some of the language used on wine labels. Admittedly, I'm going to start with a pretty straightforward example. I'm going to talk about this wine. This wine is called Las Perdices. Now, Las Perdices, just the name of the wine, it doesn't tell you anything about what's in the bottle. It actually means the partridges, because there are partridges that roam on the vineyard where the grapes are grown. But here, it tells you that this wine is a Malbec. Malbec is actually a French grape, but very popularly grown in Argentina. And 2023 is the vintage, so that's the year in which the grapes were grown. And then down here, it tells you a little about the winemakers, not so much the wine, that they were some of the early pioneers of the region of Agrelo, where these grapes were grown, in the Mendoza region of Argentina. So this is an Argentinian Mendozan Malbec from 2023. And then if we look at the back of the back label, so it tells us again that this is a Malbec, 14% alcohol. It gives us a little information about the geographic location, right? The altitude in the foothills of the Andes where these grapes were grown. It gives us some tasting notes. Talks about the complex berry aromas with delicate oak touches, soft in mouth, balanced plum and sour cherry notes. It even gives some food pairing recommendations, ideal to serve with red meat, pasta, fish, and white meat with spiced sauces. I drank this wine with a ribeye steak and some asparagus, and it was delicious. It's a very good representation of what you would expect from a Mendozan Argentinian Malbec. And so I hope that if you were to see this wine on a wine list, or if someone were to hand you this bottle and ask if you wanted to try it, that you would very readily be able to identify that this was an Argentinian Malbec and know whether or not you might like that particular style of wine. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.